This is the next problem in type 2 integrations. Find integration of 3x minus 2 into root over 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. So clearly we are observing that this is in the form of px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the linear term, root over, we have a quadratic term inside the root. So how can we solve this one? First write the working rule. What is working rule? To solve this type of problems, we should take the linear term px plus q is equal to capital A into d by dx of the quadratic term involved in square root, which is ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. So according to this rule, 3x minus 2 can be written as capital A into d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus capital B. Now first we should find out the unknown values capital A and capital B. This can be written as 3x minus 2 is equal to capital A into, write the derivative of this function. So derivative of 2x square with respect to x is 4x minus 1, and the differentiation of 1 with respect to x is 0. It is not necessary to write plus 0 here, plus capital B. Now equate like coefficients on both sides. What is the mean by like coefficients? Compare x coefficients on both sides. After that, equate constant terms on both sides. So you will get, by equating the x coefficients on both sides, here we have 3 in the left hand side and coefficient of x is 4a. If you take capital A into inside, you will get 4a. And by equating the constants, in the left hand side you have minus 2. In the right hand side, a into minus 1. Minus a is a constant, plus b is also constant. Okay. So we are observing that a is equal to 3 by 4. Highlight this value with a box. And here you will get b is equal to minus 2 plus a. What is capital A? 3 by 4. By taking the LCM, capital B becomes minus 8 plus 3, which is 5 by 4. Right. Now substitute a and b values in equation number 1. So this equation number 1 becomes to 3x minus 2 is equal to capital A is nothing but 3 by 4 of 4 derivative of d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus capital B is nothing but 5 by 4. Take it equation number 2. So anyway, substitute this 3x minus 2 value in given problem. So given problem becomes now 3x minus 2 of root over 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx is equal to, what is 3x minus 2 from the equation number 2? 3 by 4 d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 5 by 4 whole into, in outside we have the square root, which is 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Now separate the terms, because in between we have positive sign. That's why split the terms. At the same time, 3 by 4 is a constant. Take outside from the integration. 3 over 4 integration d by dx of 2x square minus x plus 1. This term into this root. So root over 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx plus 5 by 4 is again constant. So right outside of the integration, and the remaining term is only this root. Root over, just I separated the terms only. Okay. Be careful about the values of capital A and capital B. Okay. So 3 by 4 of, please observe the structure of this first integration. We are observing that this is in the form of derivative is nothing but f dash of x, and what is this? F of x whole power 1 by 2. It means that it is in the form of f of x whole power n. What is the formula for this one? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1, but n is nothing but 1 by 2. Root over means whole power 1 by 2. That's why you will get whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. According to this formula, this entire integration becomes 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 into, come to this one. Again this is in the form of root over ax square plus bx plus c, which is type 1 form. So we should change the coefficient of x square as 1. We should reduce the coefficient of x square is 1. After that, entire term should be in the form of a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. So according to that one, integration of, we should make the coefficient of x square is 1. That's why take common out the term 2 x square minus x by 2, because here we have only x, but you are taking the common as 2 plus 1 by 2 whole into dx. We are observing that this 3 getting cancelled. We have 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. So first part is completed. Integration of the first part is completed, plus 5 by 4 of integration of root over 2 of, this can be written as x square minus, multiply with 2 because we need 2ab form. That's why 2 into x into, already here we have 1 by 2, you are multiplying with 2. That's why you will write 1 by 4. So you will get a square minus 2ab form here. After that we need plus b square. What is plus b square? 1 by 4 whole square. That's why subtract with 1 by 4 whole square. And the remaining balance term is 1 by 2 into dx. Okay. So this is equal to half into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 into, write this root over 2 in outside. So integration of root over, how can we write first 3 terms? X minus 1 by 4 whole square. And what is this constant term? 1 by 16, which is negative, plus 1 by 2. By taking the LCM, it becomes minus 1 plus 8 times. So minus 1 plus 8 is nothing but 7. 7 by 16 into dx. So half into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 5 root 2 over 4. Integration of root over x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus, this can be written as root 7 by 4 whole square into dx. Okay, I will write the remaining steps here. See, that is equal to half into, first part is similar part, 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. This is the first part, plus, if we write 4 as 2 into 2, then root 2 getting cancelled root 2 times. So it can be written as 5 over 2 root 2. And see the, observe the this structure, which is integration of root over x square plus a square form. What is the formula for this one? X by 2, x term by 2 into root over similar term a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sine h inverse of x by a plus c. We can apply this formula. Clearly we are observing that this is in the form of root over x square plus a square dx. Please observe this formula for this structure. Please open a square bracket. First term is x by 2. Here x is nothing but x minus 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 4 whole by 2 into root over x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus directly you can write as 7 by 16 plus a square by 2. What is a square value here? 7 by 16. Okay, this is the a value. Square means 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of sine h inverse of x by a. What is x value again here? X minus 1 by 4 by root 7 by 4. Integration is completed. That's why add constant c. Okay. Now see the next step. Again first part is similar part, half into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 root 2. So take the LCM here, 4x minus 1 by 4, 4 2s are 8. So it can be written as 4x minus 1 by 8 into root over, write this similar term, x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 7 by 16 plus 7 by 16 into sine h inverse of, by taking the LCM here, 4x minus 1 by 4, this 4 getting cancelled after LCM. So 4x minus 1 by root 7, close the brackets, plus c. This is the result of the given integration. This step is enough. Okay, remaining other calculations are not necessary here. Thank you very much.